Hiccups, those pesky little interruptions, can strike at the most inconvenient times. But what actually causes them? It all starts with our diaphragm, that muscle under our lungs. When it spasms, we take a sudden breath in, and voila, hiccups. They can be triggered by a variety of things: eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden changes in temperature. Some say they're a sign of excitement or nervousness, while others believe they might be a remnant from our evolutionary past. Interestingly, most hiccups last only a few minutes, but some can linger for days. So, the next time you find yourself hiccuping away, just remember, it's your body's quirky way of reminding you to slow down and breathe.